Good afternoon, people, and welcome back to my channel. It's China Doll here. So today I'm gonna be doing something I haven't done in a really long time, is going to the beach on the west side of Florida. So I'm gonna go to a beach that I've never been to before. It's called Fort De Soto, which is like past St. Pete, on that area down like lower a little bit. But the reason why I like to go to the beaches on that side is because you can see the sunset. And then I know the beach is closer over here, like New Smyrna, Daytona, so we can see the sunrise. But I do not like waking up that early because I'm not an early morning person. So anywho, I'm getting ready right now to head out to the beach. It's about a 2 to 2.5 hour drive from Orlando. And I'm going to be spending the whole day there. Hopefully the weather is nice. I had checked the app, you know, right before I'm going to leave. And it says there's no thunder nor rain. So hopefully it stays sunny the whole day. And have a beautiful day, and then gonna probably catch dinner, then head back home. So come on, journey along with me as we head to the beach. Okay guys, finally arrived at Fort De Soto. To get inside, it's about a $5 fee per car to get in here, and there's plenty of parking spaces. As you can see, this whole parking lot is pretty much empty on this side. So, well, it just looks full because I'm at the front of the parking lot, but like really, like they're spread out everywhere. And then they have like a playground and like picnic tables and stuff like that. Okay, I've secured a spot on the beach. It's actually really crowded because it's the weekend and it's Sunday fun day, but this is the crowd, what it looks like right now, of the amount of people around me. I like how the waves are like kind of strong, and this is cool. I just love being in the ocean because it's like relaxing, just hearing the waves. Anyways, I'm gonna bring you guys in the water with me, so let's go. Let's go in the water. Oh, it actually is not that bad. It's like room temperature. Sometimes, you know, when you go in there, it's like freezing, but it feels great. Oh yeah, I love the waves. Look at this. Luckily, to the very end. Woo. These waves, whoa! Alright guys, after being here at the beach for about 4.5 hours, I purposely came here late because I wanted to see the sunset. So it's already starting to set a little bit, but to catch the actual sunset is at 8:20, so in about 20 minutes. I brought my drone here, so I got a cool aerial shot, so I'll put that in the video later. But so far it's so gorgeous. Look at this. Golden hour is my favorite time of the day, so yeah, it's beautiful. Now it's literally setting. You can see it look like it's gonna hit the water lower and lower. It's literally like probably 5 minutes and it's going down. And this is exactly what I came here for, to see the beautiful sunset, and it's so gorgeous. Words can't explain, it's just breathless. Look at this. Just hearing the waves, and you see the seagulls flying, and it's like nobody around because the beach closes when the sun sets. So that's why I like it later on in the day, because you literally feel like you have it to yourself. So look at that, guys. Wow. And just like that, guys, the sun is officially going down. But I don't mind, because you know why? I'm getting kind of hungry, so I want to go eat some food before the restaurant starts closing. So see you for dinner. Okay guys, for tonight's dining review, we're going to be eating dinner at Crabby Bills, which is in St. Pete. It was about like a 15-minute drive from Fort De Soto, so hopefully it's pretty good. I'm craving some seafood, so I'm like, why not come here? So they have outdoor seating and indoor, but like when I went upstairs, there was like no tables available, and it's too dark to see the beach outside anyway, so I was like, I'll just take a table inside. So this is a look at their menu. So they have a bunch of different like different boils, like crab boils, shrimp boils, and then the other side is like their appetizers. So they have like chicken tenders, calamari, nuggets, onion rings, like a bunch of different stuff, salads, and then they have like sandwiches, different platters. But I am craving a boil, so I'm probably gonna go with either the southern shrimp boil or these, yeah, the southern seafood boil or shrimp boil. And the southern shrimp boil is for $22, and the southern seafood boil is for $42. So for appetizers, we got the spicy fried pickles. And you know me, guys, I don't really like spicy food, so let me do the taste test and see how these are. And it comes with ranch sauce. So, I don't taste it myself. It's really good. It's crispy. It's yummy. Okay, the food has arrived. It's a lot, because what happened is I wanted a specific boil, but they didn't have like a combination of crab and shrimp together. So I had got the shrimp boil, but then I was like, can I just add crab to it? And he's like, we can't do that. You have to like get a meal. So I end up getting 2 meals. So anyways, guys, it comes with 2 sides. So this is the crab legs with fries and mashed potatoes, and then the second one is the shrimp bowl with corn on the cob, fries, and mashed potatoes too. So yes, everything looks so yummy. I am starving. I don't know which one to start on first, but let's just go. Let's dig into the shrimp. Let's see how this crabby is. Oh my gosh, look at this juicy crab legs, man. I've been craving this for a really long time, because remember what happened last time when I was supposed to go eat seafood at Joe's Crab Shack? Don't tell me no.
Either.
Okay guys, just finished eating at Crabby Bills here in St. Pete Beach. Food was delicious. It was a lot, so I had to take some home because, like I was explaining to you in a restaurant earlier, like I couldn't add like the crab to my shrimp boil, so I had to get 2 meals. So I have food for extra for lunch tomorrow. The service was great, food was great. It was a little pricey. It was like about, let's see, $80 for both of us, but you know, you're by the beach, it's seafood, you're gonna expect to pay that, but for me it was well worth it. It was good. But overall, I hope you guys enjoyed this day with me at Fort De Soto Beach, and then having dinner at Crabby Bills. If you do, give me a thumbs up, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next adventure. Bye.